Hey guys, so today is a video about me saying why I was not recording for a very long time. Wow. Probably because I've been in London for a while. Whoa. This actually good. Wait, what? Probably because I've been in London for a while, so what the so that's probably why, and I have no idea what to do, so what? Yo, wait, what? Oh, wait, what? Oh, well, as I was saying, I've been in London for a while, and I was just wondering. I have no idea what to do, so I was wondering if you guys could comment down below what I should do, and I'll do the top comment. So yeah. Yeah, I know this camera's cool, you know. I might use this one for my channel, like, yeah, and so bye. Dang. Okay, I like this. Yo, I like this. Oh my gosh, this is so far away. Why not one before? Damn. I want it to follow me. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna play a little great tag. Wait. I might actually the last one. No, I'm not. Alright. Just because. Let's put it down for me to be scared. Well, I'm actually wait, what the heck? Actually good. I haven't paid for this. Wait, am I recording still? I forgot about that. Yo! I forgot that I was recording. Oh my gosh. Bye bye guys, like and subscribe.